Hey y'all, I just got this high-speed, high-technology hair dryer in the mail. I'm gonna get it out of the box and check it out. Here it is in the box. I think it comes in a really cute little package. I feel like this would be a perfect gift idea, maybe for a Mother's Day gift, or for just thinking of you gift, or a Christmas gift, something like that. So here's the hair dryer. I feel like it looks super classy looking, very modern. I love how small it is. It's very lightweight. This would make a great traveling hair dryer or just one to store here in your cabinet if you don't have a whole lot of space. This is definitely the one. So you do have two different attachments here. And so this one just magnetizes on, and this is to be used if you're just using like the natural wind setting. And then you have this attachment that again just magnetizes on, which I think is so nice. And that's going to be the more direct one. So I'm going to use that one. And here on the back is the settings. So you have power on, and then you have 1 and 2. So that's just the higher and lower setting. And then you have the recycling button that makes it a colder air or a hot air. So with all that being said, I'm going to get this baby plugged in, and I just got out of the shower, so my hair is really pretty much dripping wet. And this hair dryer is proven that it's going to make my hair a lot smoother, and it's going to be a lot faster dry time. As a mom, I need to be able to hop out of the shower, be able to blow dry my hair, and get out of the house in like 10 minutes. So this hair dryer is really going to come in handy as a mom. That cycling button here, you have orange, blue, purple, and red. And the different colors are, the blue is just the natural wind, so that's when you would use this attachment. The purple is just warm. The orange is hot, and then when it's red, that means it's the turbo, like incinerating kind of hot. So that's really going to give you that good, extremely fast, dry hair. So I'm gonna get some heat protectant put on here and just test this out for you. So let's try it on that natural wind. So I'm gonna turn it on to that blue and give her a go. Overall, you guys, I'm very impressed by this hair dryer. I was noticing that I didn't have to worry about the back here like sucking air in and getting my hair caught in there, because I know some of my previous hair dryers, I've had that issue. I do love how fast this dried my hair. I thought it was really cool that you could use like the high heat, and then when it's almost dry, then use that cool heat on the blue, and then that just gives you that last little bit of dry, gets your hair completely dry, but super, super fast. And this was virtually noiseless. I loved how quiet it was. I feel like you could use this hair dryer while your baby's sleeping in the room next door, or if you have pets around and stuff and they're normally scared of the hair dryer, this would be a great option because this is one that's not going to scare them. I love how smooth and silky this made my hair. It just feels like that professional grade hair dryer. Overall, this is such a classy design. It blow dried my hair in no time flat. I love how small it is. It's going to store really well. Very nice, lightweight hair dryer that is going to impress. I know I'm going to get so much use out of this hair dryer, and I'm sure if you purchase it for you or maybe for that loved one as a gift, y'all are going to love this hair dryer too.